News aba oh, news aba. There is news and there is gist. Hey guys, in fact, this news is just busting my brains. Like, it's just making my head big. Hey God, Ghana for, in fact, you do all. You do all, you do all. Hey, Ghana for. In fact, let's just jump into this hot news. Hello gist partners, news aba oh, news aba. There is news and there is gist. Hey Ghana for, hey guys, this is just getting me, like, I don't know what to say. It's just busting my brains, as I said earlier. Oh guys. Anyway, I'm just all excited. Before we jump into this hot news, exciting news, please do check out my other channel, Sandy's Joyful Space, and please support your girl. Please. Thank you very much. Hey guys, in fact, there's no time to waste time. Let's just jump right into this hot news. President Akufo-Addo presents 50 vehicles to army. Court sought for $24.8 million housing project. Oh, maybe you did not hear me well. Let me read it again. President Akufo-Addo presents 50 vehicles to army. Court sought for $24.8 million housing project. Oh. Do you hear that? How did it ring in your ears? Like, how is it ringing too? Guys, in fact, this one, he off me. This one, hey, let's just continue. President Nana Akufo-Addo has presented 40 Jeep J8 vehicles, 6 Toyota Hiace minibuses, and 14 Toyota Hilux pickups to the Ghana Armed Forces. According to President Akufo-Addo, the vehicles will help the army to contain the security threat posed by extremist groups operating along Ghana's northern borders. It will also help them deal better with internal security challenges. Speaking at the presentation ceremony on Wednesday, the president noted that these 60 vehicles are to complement the 73 armored personnel carriers, 41 Toyota vehicles, 3 water tankers, a self-loading recovery truck, a refrigeration van, and 5 utility vehicles for waste disposal and management. He presented on December 5, 2019 and March 31, 2021. He told the gathering that government is constantly apprised of the needs of the armed forces, and as Commander-in-Chief, he is taking steps to ensure that they are met. We recognize that our vision of ensuring equitable distribution of development, progress and prosperity to all parts of the country can only be achieved in an atmosphere of peace and security. We are determined to continue in this vein and satisfy the legitimate demands of the armed forces, he said. He continued, there is no doubt that your success in providing the needed all-round security in the country has been made possible through your vigilance and sacrifices. Notwithstanding the modest resources with which you have to work, Ghana is forever indebted to you. Before presenting the vehicles, President Akufo-Addo drove through the Ghana Military Academy Infrastructure Upgrade Project site and expressed delight that the project has progressed significantly since he cut the sod for its commencement on July 4, 2019. The cadet mess, the square and lecture rooms are completed. The administration block is 95% complete, and the contractor is in the final stages of completing the external works. The 246 capacity cadet hostel and platoon commanders block are 65% complete. The president was also informed that the housing project, which is an integral part of the facility for funding the military academic upgrade project, would see the Ghana Armed Forces adding 832 units of 2-bedroom self-contained flat to its stock when completed, with the ones at 5 and 6 garrisons also at various stages of completion. The president also inspected the ongoing construction of the 7-story Army Headquarters office complex, progressing steadily. This project is costing the taxpayer some 33 million Ghana cedis, but undoubtedly it will boost the image and morale of the army, since the Air Force and the Navy already have very beautiful headquarters, and we cannot allow the army to be left out, he added. The president also called salt for the commencement of work on the $24.8 million housing project for troops. He stated that 40 half-compound houses will be built at Bema Camp, 10 each at the Navy base in Sekondi, the Air Force base in Tamale, the 4th Infantry Battalion in Kumasi, and the 3rd Infantry Battalion in Sunyani. When completed, a total of 320 units would be added to the housing stock of the armed forces. As President of the Republic and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, I am fully aware that our economic development can only thrive in an atmosphere of peace and security, but it will come at a cost and against other competing demands. This notwithstanding, we continue to make systematic efforts to address the logistical and housing needs of the armed forces, President Akufo-Addo said. With the threat from the northern border not abating, he stressed that government released funds last year to start retooling, reconstructing, and upgrading 15 forward operating bases and new units, including the 10 and 11 mechanized battalions, 154 armored regiments and 155 armored regiments and supporting logistics units. All this effort of retooling and providing the necessary housing units will enhance the state of preparedness of the armed forces, he added. Ghana, for do you hear this news? How did this sound in your ear? It make background, it ring bell. Guys, hey, like when I read the news, I'm like, wow, woo. Like, guys, all those things for the army. This one is not small something. Like, he has given them 50 vehicles, and also he's constructing a $24.8 million housing project. Like houses for the armies. Oh, you did it, Ghana for. I'm so happy that the president of Ghana is thinking about the army. Like in some places, they don't even care about, their armed forces. They don't even care about them. If you look at where they live, their hostels, the buildings are crying for help. But just look at these beautiful buildings. Look at these wonderful buildings. And while I was still in Accra, I remember doing my clinicals at 37 and also at police hospital. Guys, I was opportune to see their hostels, like their barracks. It was looking like quite nice. Very nice. Yes, it might not be the most magnificent, big, wonderful, and all this. But guys, the building, they try well. Compared to some, they try well. There are some that you could see that the buildings are actually falling. The president don't even care. Let the building collapse. Let the building fall. Let it scatter. They don't care. What they know is just be doing your job. But look at how the president of Ghana is caring. He even said, okay, the Navy and others have nice houses. They have all those things. So why shouldn't they care for the army? The army too should have all those things. Like, he's paying attention to every unit. Ghana for people, they enjoy you. People, they enjoy. Like, they enjoy well. The way they jealous you guys. Somebody should not come here and say, what is your own? It's my own, no. It's my own. It's my own. On this channel, dear, anything Ghana is my business. You for know like that. You for know that. So guys, that is how I saw it too. I was excited. I was happy. I was just all over the moon. I say no, my gist partners have to hear this gist. My gist partners must hear this one. Because when the army are well taken care of, when they are fine, when they are, happy, then they can better do their jobs. Then they can better, serve the country. Guys, I'm excited about this news. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. This is very important, like very vital. Because if they are not well taken care of, if they are not in a good mood, you don't want to jam them in that state. They'll be putting that frustration on the people. The people go, they suffer am. Any small thing, So now that the president is taking good care of them, they are happy, they are excited. When they see the citizens, they are smiling. They are doing, how are you? You are fine? I'm good? Yes. Everybody is happy. But when they're not taking good care of them, there's some anger inside them. Don't even go there. You have not even do, they will say, what did you say? Did you say, sir? I say, you say, That is how it starts. It's anger. So guys, you should be excited that the president is paying attention to all these units and is paying special care to every unit in Ghana. and I'm happy and I'm excited. So guys, that is the news. If you have watched to this point, I say thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're on this channel, you have not yet subscribed. It's as if you don't want to hear latest gist. As if you don't want to hear latest news. Please help me hit that subscribe button and hit notification bell. Let it do background so that when there's any news like this, you'll be the first to hear. You'll be the first to see that news about. There is news and there is gist. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your love, your support. God bless you all and see you all in my next video. Bye.